This is a Leeds and Northrup Potentiometer. These are for precisely measuring voltages. Precision voltage measurement during the era of Titanic. Okay, time to open up this Leeds and Northrup Model K variable resistor. Need to use the correct screwdriver set, of course. This one, Chapman, will fit this perfectly, so I believe these two fasteners will do it. The others are for the case. Okay, here's what the inside looks like. These were the things that we were threading our screw into. These appear to be Bakelite or something, so I have to be careful with it. Look at the wiring, man. Wiring's enameled covered wire. Here are the switches. The buttons, they look good. All the other bits and pieces look real good. I'm gonna just clean out some of this a little bit with the microfiber. I don't think we need to do any work in here to make this go. There's something loose bouncing around. I'll see if I can figure that out. So I found the thing rattling around is this washer, and I noticed there's a screw head missing here. My guess is it's just from storage and maybe cold and hot temps or something like that. So I don't think, I could probably replace it. That's pretty loose in there. So I'm gonna clean all this out. Okay, we found one other place of damage, which is this is not connected right here, which is the wiper. So we'll get that corrected and all fixed up. Okay, I found one more issue, is that this screw here is backed out. So I've got to tighten that up somehow, and it's in a very inconvenient spot. Okay, I'm going to try to grind a notch in this right here so I can screw this back in from the outside, because there's no way to access it from here without taking things apart. Okay, so looks like this is pretty good. I'll loosen that up, and then put this here, and then give her a screw it in nice and tight. There we go. No problem. Okay, so this is all set. Everything's good. The terminal's got good action here, so we're gonna run with this. This has been repaired too. I'm not sure I mentioned that, but that's good to go. It's strong. So time to do some continuity checks, make sure everything checks out okay. Okay, so I removed this thing, and the part that broke off inside is this stop nut, which makes sense because you're whacking into this every time it stops. Okay, we'll fix that. So I know it's blasphemous, but we're gonna go with this stainless replacement here. So I think the reason why this broke off is because it was brass. Okay, so you gotta be careful with these. You gotta lift them carefully while threading this on. Similarly, there's one right down in there underneath, so just be careful with that. You could break the connections right off. So I checked, everything's definitely connected across the schematic here. We need some cleaner on some of these wipers, but otherwise it's good. This is like a 0 to 6 ohm variable resistor. So we'll keep going here.